Hello friend, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Today I am going to show you how to generate private key and public key with the help of DSA algorithm. Okay, I have already shown you how to generate private key and public using RSA algorithm, how to encrypt and decrypt the file using public key and private key. If you don't have watched that video, just click the I button above. I will mention the video in the I button and you can watch that video from there. Okay, so here now I'm just going to discuss about creating or generating the private key and public key using DSA algorithm. Remember, in DSA algorithm, generating the private key will be a two-step process. First of all, we need to generate the parameter. So how to generate the parameter? The command for that is OpenSSL gen. Okay, OpenSSL DSA. Okay, so this command is for the DSA parameter creation. So I want to create the DSA parameter. So DSA param, and then output you can give the name of the parameter file, suppose DSA.pm, and then you can give the bit 1024 bit longer or 2048 or how many bit longer you want. You can give according to your requirement. I have just given 1024 bit, is also more than enough. Now run ls command and you can see the file has been created, dsa.pm. This is not a key, this is just a parameter file. Okay, so if you type cat dsa.pm, you can see begin DSA parameter. It means this is not a private key, neither a private key nor a public key. This is just a parameter file. Now using this parameter you can generate the private key. How to generate the private key using the DSA parameter? See the command OpenSSL gen DSA out. The private key, the DSA parameter name is dsa.pm, but I want the private key, so I will give the name private key private.pm, and I am going to generate that private key using the parameter dsa.pm. So at the last I will give the name of the parameter dsa.pm. Just press enter and done. ls command and you can see dsa.pm. So dsa.pm is a DSA parameter and private.pm, which I have just created. This is the private key and I have generated this private key with the help of the parameter. You can check it, cat private.pm, and you can see begin DSA private key. In the previous video I have shown you how to generate RSA private key, but this is not RSA private key, this is DSA private key, means private key using DSA algorithm, and I have successfully generated this private key. Now once you have the private key, with the help of private key you can easily generate the public key. So I am going to show you how you can generate the public key using DSA algorithm with the help of private key. So OpenSSL DSA in, see the command, and the name of the private key, that is private.pm. okay, so this is the private key name, and then you give the output format. What is output format? PM, and then you have to give here pub out, means public output, and the output key name you can give the name of the public key, anything. I am giving it public.pm, and done. ls command, you can see public.pm means public file has been, or public key has been generated. You can check it, cat public.pm, and you can see begin public key. It means we have successfully generated public key. Let me run the history command and make things easy for you. Line number 51 to generate the parameter DSA parameter. Line number 54 to generate the private key with the help of the DSA parameter. Line number 59 to generate the public key public.pm with the help of private key private.pm. And now how to encrypt file using public key and private key, you already know that. If you don't know, you have not watched my video, I have given the link inside the I button. You can go there and watch that video and it will help you. You will be able to encrypt and decrypt a file using public key and private key. Hope this video will help you. So thank you for watching.